Hello, partner! Welcome to TBO. In this video, I'm going to take you through our legacy product called Hotels and explain how you make a hotel bookings. But wait, before we start, as you know, we only offer net rates to you, so you can add your markup by clicking the Edit Profile option. Basic markups product-wise can be updated here. Want to add over and above your markup? We do provide this option as well, where you instantly apply customized markups on every search apart from the fixed markup. This is a unique option which we offer to save your time. Want to get in touch with your key account manager? We do provide the option to meet your key account manager and request demo. It is very simple, few basic steps. We start off by choosing either a hotel or a destination that we want to go to. Here we have chosen Dubai as our destination. We have chosen the dates 12th of June to 14th of June. Once that's done, here we have the option to choose the number of rooms, the number of adults, and number of children. Click on the rooms to select the number of rooms to book, and we can choose up to 6 rooms in one booking. Want to book more than 6 rooms? We always recommend go through group request option provided here. Send us the filled details, and our team will get in touch with you soonest possible. Choose the correct guest nationality to avail any best nationality preference rate which some hotels offer. The nationality is set by where the travel agency is from, and this is default. If the travel agent would be knowing that the traveler or the customer is not from this country, some other nationality, then this should be changed to the exact nationality of the client itself. Let's proceed as we have selected one room which should accommodate 2 adults. To get a quicker search and faster results, we'll click on Search and wait until the system downloads all the options from our suppliers. Apply filters to specific rate plan elements like meal options, cancellation policies, price range, and specific room names, which reflect in the search results along with rooms. Use these quick filters to refine your search, as we provide option to sort your results with lowest to highest price, and vice versa. Book rooms directly from the listing page, as we provide a faster booking experience. To search for a hotel that is directly contracted by TBO, use this filter for TBO Preferred. Here you can see TBO Preferred tag on the hotels as you have applied the filters. You can check the TBO Plus reward points, which you can get for this booking. TBO Plus is our flagship loyalty program for our bookers. As you choose to view room of a particular hotel, you can see all the details in place, such as available rooms, images, hotel details, the amenities, and all the search criteria we inserted initially. The unique feature which we offer here is you can select up to 5 rooms and create a quote in PDF, which can be sent to your customers. Each quote can include custom markup with options to hide prices and cancellation policies, download as desired, and share the PDF with your agent. Here we will be prompted to enter the customer details. Enter the name and surname, the rest is not mandatory. The mandatory fields to be filled are the ones with the red star. Arrival details is not mandatory, but good to mark this. Before moving forward, here we can check the last cancellation date once again. Double-check the number of guest and room type booked, followed by the guest details, number of rooms booked, and the guest nationality. Click on Proceed to Booking Review to review the booking one final time. To generate the booking, click on the review and agree with the terms and condition. Here we get an option to create booking and issue voucher, or just create booking and voucher later. Create booking and voucher later puts the booking on timeline with free cancellation. As we proceed, a pop-up reminds us of all the norms and all the cancellation policies. Once reviewed, proceed by selecting the Yes option. We confirm, and the booking goes into confirmed status. Here you can see auto cancellation details. You will be notified in advance, 5 days by default. Every morning you will receive an email saying that this booking will be canceled in the next 5 days. In order to prevent this, we need to generate the voucher. Once we proceed with Generate Voucher, which would be taking us to the TBO Pay page where we can choose what way of payment we want to use. Available limit, wallet, or credit card, and other popular payment methods. Want to cancel this booking? Just click on Cancel Booking. Once again, cancellation policy pops, and here we see this booking can still be canceled free of charge until 8 June 2025. To proceed to cancel this booking, we will have to write a certain remark and then cancel it. As you can see here, the booking is canceled. The moment it is canceled, a credit note is generated, and the ledger will be set back to 0, and refund will be in process. All the hotel bookings made are found in the queues on the homepage. You can search your booking by using quick filters given below. Simply type the details to retrieve bookings. Happy selling!